知道我哋係咪成世人都喺度做緊嘢啊？我話係
The most magnificent productions.
真係令我大開眼界。今日叫低你嚟，預咗個位俾你啊！
This July to August on Celestial Movies. The biggest stars, the biggest blockbusters.
Supersport starts 15th July on Channel 815 and Astro Go.
Ini minggu penuh getir bagi Perak Bison. Cabaran pertama mereka, ATM Guardians yang berazam mendaki kedudukan. Dan bolehkah Bison memberi tentangan sengit yang mampu menggugat kuasa Kuala Lumpur Thunder? Ini bidik kita, emas Anwar Sepak Takraw League Liga Premier secara langsung di Astro Arena dan aplikasi Astro Go.
Check out this power displayed by Superleg.
They don't call him the kicking machine for nothing.
2 first round knockouts.
I don't care about kicks. Power here.
I am the future. And the future starts tonight.
First round, submission victory!
It should be an absolute banger. I can't wait for that one.
One Fight Night secara langsung di Astro Arena 2 dan Astro Go.
Exclusively for Astro customers, Astro Rewards invites you to Astro Showcase 2023. An extraordinary, one-night-only immersive experience with shows that come alive to ignite your senses and star-studded performances that take you where you've never been. It's going to be an amazing journey of discovery. Full stream ahead with the new Astro.
The Red Giants stand tall among teams. Their frontline players are their strength. In a venomous rivalry on their journey to the top, each step determines their fate. Semangat kita, berjuang kita, demi Liga kita. Liga Super on Astro Arena Bola and Astro Go.